In today's video, I'm going to talk about Italian articles. What is an article? Well, it is a tiny particle that is placed right before every noun. We can name articles in two main categories: finite articles and indefinite articles. The first ones indicate that the following noun represents a definite quantity. Indefinite articles instead indicates an indefinite quantity. If I say the house, that means that I'm pointing at one specific house. That's why it is called definite article. A cat. A is the indefinite article because it refers to a generic cat, one of many. Well, good news, everyone! In Italian language, it happens exactly the same thing. We can define two big families: definite articles and indefinite articles. The functions are the same. However, in Italian language, articles are much more. Why? Because in Italian language, we have genders in first place. So we must double the amount of articles, because some articles will refer to male gender nouns, while other articles must be used before female gender nouns. And Italian nouns differ between singular form and plural form. So, male gender articles and female gender articles have their own number as well. There will be male singular and male plural articles and female singular and female plural articles. So, that's a very big difference between Italian and English language. Italian language has way many more articles, but it's not a big deal. The Italian articles are il, lo, la, I, gli, le, plus L with apostrophe. 7 main articles to cover all possible combinations of Italian nouns. Now, I suggest you to memorize that nursery rhyme. It will be easier to identify articles and use them. Again, it is pretty simple. Il, lo, la, I, gli, le, and L apostrophe. L with the apostrophe is a particular case scenario. It happens when you have the article, but you have a noun that starts with a vowel. So, because articles will end by vowels, and some nouns in Italian language will start with vowels, two vowels will clashing together. In order to make the speech more fluid, the vowel belonging to the article goes away, so the article bounds directly with the following noun, and speaking-wise, article and noun will become one single entity. However, when you write in Italian language, that particular form you must add the apostrophe in order to remember that before there was a vowel belonging to the very article. Il and lo are male and singular. La is female singular. I and gli are male plural, while le is for female plural. Il and I are generally used for the majority of common names of male gender. Il maestro, the teacher. Il topo, the mouse. Il giorno, the day. That for singular. I maestri, plurals, the teachers. Il gatto, the cat. I gatti, plural, the cats. I giorni, the days, again plural. Lo and gli are still male gender but used, lo for singular, gli for plural, in certain conditions when the following nouns are starting by the consonants Z and S. Also when nouns start with the combinations of G and N, GN, P and S, and P and N. Lo zio, the uncle. Gli zii, the uncles. Lo gnomo, the gnome. Gli gnomi, the gnomes. Lo psicologo, the psychologist. Lo psicologo, the psychologist, and gli psicologi, the psychologists, plural. Lo pneumatico, the tire. Lo e gli must use also before nouns starting with X and Y. Lo xilofono, the xylophone. Gli xilofoni, the xylophones. Lo yogurt, the yogurt. Gli yogurt, the yogurts. Remember, gli, it is also used before plural male nouns that start with vowel. Gli occhi, the eyes. Gli animali, the animals. Gli uomini, the man. La e le is for female gender nouns. Again, la singular and le plural. La casa, the house. Le case, the houses. La volpe, the fox. Le volpi, the foxes. L'apostrophe. L'artista instead of lo artista. The artist. L'orso instead of lo orso. The bear. L'aria instead of la aria. L'aria, the air. Wait, what about indefinite articles? Indefinite articles have only singular form, but they still retain the separation of two genders, female and male. Male indefinitive articles are uno and un. Females are una and un with apostrophe. Because un with apostrophe, it is a simple una without the vowel. Un'anatra, a duck. Because of the two vowels clashing together, we take out the vowel of the article and we create a compound word, un'anatra. In written language, you need to use the apostrophe above the N in order to make it clear that before there was a vowel that has been elided. Un is used before the majority of male gender nouns. Un compito, a task. Uno, it is used in the same very case scenarios of the definitive article lo. So, before every noun that starts with Z, S, GN, PS, PN, X and Y. Uno sconto, a discount. Uno yogurt, a yogurt. Una, it is used before every female gender noun. Una parola, a word. Una casa, a house. So remember, the male article un never wants the apostrophe because un is a legit article that stands by its own. Keep, you can merge the articles, the definitive articles, with the prepositions, simple prepositions to create preposizioni articolate. I made videos about preposizioni semplici and preposizioni articolate that I link below in the description. So while you check those other two videos, remember to subscribe to my channel, Genius Speaking, to like my videos if you like them, to support my work, but most importantly, remember, follow me on other social media platforms and speak like a genius. Bye bye!